Composting is a simple yet powerful way to improve soil health and boost plant growth. Here are some key advantages of incorporating compost into your garden or landscape. Nutrient-rich soil. Compost enriches the soil with essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are vital for plant growth. It also supplies secondary nutrients such as calcium and magnesium. Improved soil structure. By enhancing soil texture, compost increases water retention and nutrient availability. It also promotes better aeration and drainage, allowing plant roots to access oxygen and moisture more efficiently. Boosted microbial activity. Beneficial microorganisms thrive in compost-rich soil, helping to break down organic matter, fix nitrogen, and suppress harmful pathogens, ultimately leading to healthier plants. Enhanced moisture retention. Compost improves the soil's ability to hold water, reducing the need for frequent watering. Especially useful during dry spells or for plants requiring consistent moisture. Balanced soil pH. Compost acts as a natural buffer, preventing soil from becoming too acidic or too alkaline, and creating a more stable growing environment for plants. Weed suppression. A layer of compost on the soil surface helps block sunlight, reducing weed seed germination and minimizing unwanted growth. Reduced soil erosion. By binding soil particles together, compost helps prevent erosion and runoff, which is particularly beneficial for sloped areas or regions prone to soil loss. Increased organic matter. Compost replenishes organic matter, maintaining soil fertility and supporting a thriving ecosystem of beneficial organisms. Environmental benefits. Composting reduces landfill waste, cutting down on methane emissions. It also decreases reliance on synthetic fertilizers, which can harm the environment. Cost savings. By using compost, gardeners can reduce the need for commercial fertilizers and soil amendments, making gardening more budget-friendly and sustainable. By incorporating compost into your gardening routine, you'll naturally enrich your soil and create a healthier environment for your plants while also benefiting the planet. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more gardening tips.